Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. A fatal error occurred while creating a TLS client credential in Windows. This error often appears in Event Viewer and is usually caused by outdated or corrupted system components, disabled TLS protocols, or issues with the channel security package. It can affect secure network connections and certain applications. Let's get started. Open the Start menu and use the search bar to type Internet options, then press Enter. In the new window, click the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Security section. Check all available TLS version. Make sure all are ticked. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC to apply the changes. That sits it. Usifty now completed the steps to resolve the TLS client credential error. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it. See you in the next guide.